Hello friends and neighbors, it's me, Painted Raina, your friendly neighborhood witch of what the f***, and welcome back to the chaos, aka my studio. Today I'm trying something brand new, a cloud pour, and I have been admiring this for quite a while and I am finally diving in, ready or not. I'll tell you about the colors I'm using today. So the dark blue you're seeing is Amsterdam greenish blue. This is transparent. The bright aqua is cobalt teal by TriArt. This is opaque. The purple I'm using is this little piggy in Constellation, and it is mixed in with the pouring medium, and that's why it looks a lot lighter than it does in the jar. The gorgeous metallic pink you're seeing is TriArt in Rose Gold. This is also transparent. The next aqua blue you're seeing is Mermaid by this little pigment. This is a stand-in because Mermaid is currently at a different studio being used in a ultra top secret really cool project that'll be coming up in the next couple of months. The white paint in the squeeze bottle is the Cloud Pour mixture, which is starring Vallejo Pro Medium, and also just some white acrylic paint. Here I've got Artist Loft High Flow Acrylic in white. The pillow paint I'm using is just a custom mix. It's just some old white paint that I threw a little bit of old blue paint in, well, teal. Couldn't possibly tell you what it was, except that it was ancient, and I'm amazed it still worked. I thought this would be a really beautiful, like, ocean-y palette, especially with the rose gold just kind of setting it off with that unexpected twist of kind of metallic pink, even though it dried a little bit closer to the gold side. The recipes I'm using are from Tiffany at Willie B Studios. If you have not checked her out, you really need to. Her videos are super binge-worthy, and she has got this technique nailed. Very inspirational, and I only hope I can ever do cloud pours as well as she does. The substrate I'm using is a 12-inch cradled wood panel that I have treated with a little bit of spray varnish before painting, just so the paint wouldn't soak into the wood and make it warp. That is an important note about using wood panels, is if you get them too wet, they will go all jiggly on you, and nobody wants jiggly wood. Jiggly wood. Ooh. I started with my layer of base paint, which again was just a custom mix, and then I am slowly pouring the cup full of layered paints back and forth to give it like that kind of angel wing effect. After doing this, I can totally see why people get a little bit obsessed with the cloud pours, and I absolutely intend to do more and really experiment. I mean, you know me and my neon rainbow colors, right? Unsurprisingly, I mixed way too much paint, and fortunately I had a small canvas nearby, so I poured on a little bit more of that base layer and then dumped the rest of the paint cup on for an avant-garde flip cup. The bonus of doing the flip cup is I gave the paint on the big round a little bit extra time to spread and do its thing and develop whatever cells it might develop. This one was a wild card, but I love the unexpected results. Sometimes the leftovers steal the show. Now it's time to tilt. Like, tilting can be so satisfying and so nerve-wracking at the same time because the cells start to pop up and you get some really interesting organic shapes, and then you have to let it fall off of the substrate, which is like the super maddening part because sometimes you lose pieces that are just like so glorious. Like, crud muffins! What am I gonna do? But I am really happy actually with the way that it turned out, even though I didn't tilt it enough to get the cells to really open up. I just really liked what it was showing me. So in the future, if I want more cells, I would tilt a little more and perchance use a more appropriate amount of paint. I super went overboard on that, but the wild card flip cup was actually pretty cool too. Again, a huge shout out to Tiffany at Willie B Studios for making this technique so well known. It's awesome. And again, please check out her channel because she's great. Super sorry for the filming during tilting the flip cup. I thought it was in frame, but clearly I was wrong. So you can fill in the blanks with your imagination, and I'll try to do it better next time. Thanks for watching me stumble joyfully into the world of cloud pours. If you've got tips, tricks, or favorite color combos, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear them. If you enjoy what you have seen today, hit that like button and subscribe for a lot more art experiments and crazy messes. All right, here they are dry out in the sunlight on a beautiful spring day in Wisconsin. You can see the shimmer from the This Little Piggy or TOP pigments and the TriArt Rose Gold. Quite pretty. And then in the flip cup, you can see where it appears that either a cat whisker, which is possible because I have 3 cats, or like a brush bristle or something unexpectedly fell in and I didn't notice until it was dry. So we've just got like some interesting texture there that is like a permanent part of the painting. I couldn't take it out, it would ruin it. So we'll just live with it as it is. I will likely varnish these. Possibly I will resin the round, but I'll definitely varnish the little square. And then I'll take them to my art shows and see if someone buys them. Until next time, keep making messes. See ya.